in C that will convert days into years, months, weeks and days. That means this program will take an input from user as a days, number of days, anything user can input, and based on that input we will convert and we will calculate the number of years, months and weeks and days it is equivalent to. Okay, so let's code this program first. We need some integer variables to convert into year. We need a year variable, year, and next we have month, next we have week and weeks and day. Okay, this much we need. Now we have to ask the user to enter the number of days. So for that, enter the number of days. Now let's scan it. %d and store it in the address of day. Okay, now here is the logic. We assume that a year contains 365, it is not a leap year. And we will assume that a month contains 30 days, not 31 and not 29. And week, we have 7 days, we all know that. Okay, so by this assumption, to convert a day into year, so what have to do? We have to divide by 365, number of days by 365, because 1 year contains 365 days. For that, we will keep in year variable, year equals to day divided by 365. This will calculate the number of years that is contained in the day variable. Okay, now we have to exclude the year from the day because we have already calculated year, right? So to exclude the number of days, we have to calculate the remainder, right? So now we'll free this number of days by year. So for that, we will write day equals to day modulus 365. Okay, now it's time to calculate month. So we write month equals to day divided by 30. Okay, now it's time to free up the day with month. Free up the day from month. For that, day equals to day modulus 30. Now it's time for week. Week equals to day divided by 7. And it's to free up the day with day from week, we will write day equals to day modulus 7. Okay, now the contents of day is only day, nor year, nor month, neither week. Okay, now we have to print the message to this. Now we have to print the information. For that, printf we write equals to. Okay, equals to means the number of days, equals to we write a %d year, and in bracket we will write s. It means years also, so in bracket we will write s space, and again %d month, and in bracket we will write s, and again %d week, and in bracket it is s, and %d day, and in bracket here is s. %d we have stored, we have printed year, so we will bring it from year variable. So for that, year, next a month, and next from week, and last from day. Okay, I think now it's over. Let's check it. Okay, yes. So number of days I will keep 3, and you can see here it is equals to 1 year only, and there is 0 month, 0 week and 0 days. Okay, it worked. Okay, now let's put 366 days, and it should come 1 year 1 day, right? So let's enter 366. Now you can see here output 1 year and 1 years and 1 day. Okay, now let's put a random number, huge number. Okay, suppose 1000. Okay, in 1000 days, if we input 1000 days, and this 1000 days will be equivalent to 2 years, 9 months, 0 weeks, and 0 days. Okay, so if you have doubt, you can check in calculator. We have done it. We have input the number of days and we have calculated its equivalent year, months, weeks, and days. I hope you understand this program. Okay, goodbye.